measuring cup, and we're just going to melt a little butter down. Okay, that was some left in the refrigerator.
Am I doing well?
Yeah, you both are doing excellent. I think you've had some lessons in stirring. So I'm going to just melt this just a minute in the microwave. Not even a minute, but just a few seconds. I have sticky hands from the dough. Hold on to your bowl so it won't flip in your lap. That's right. Stir around the sides. Go all the way around the sides and through the middle. Because when you finish, you shouldn't see any streaks of brown. See, Corey? Stir over there where it has that brown. We don't want to see any one color.
Now I just see the white. I see the brown.
That's good. So it's just about done. Just a little bit of brown. Let's go all the way to the bottom and check it. See, there's a little bit of brown there. You see it? So stir a little bit more. Hold on to this side or it'll flip up in your face. Let's check yours. Is there any brown? I'm not seeing it, so just keep stirring a little bit more. Stirring really well. Huh? Want it all to be mixed up. Now this butter.
I see no.
We're going to, it will be hot, so I'm going to let it cool. And you're both going to be working out of the same plate, okay? We'll pour more butter in when we're ready. The butter is going to act as glue when this cools down and we can touch it. Not too hot. But this is the way it's going to work. We will dip it, just lightly dip it on both sides, okay? And then, I think I'll get you each a plate. Each of you is going to have a plate.
Am I going to be that one?
Well, you're both going to use this one, but you're going to,
when will we put this sugar in onto the donut?
well, the butter is going to stick that on. So, okay, did you get a good mix now?
Yep.
Okay, let's carefully pour the cinnamon onto your plate. Carefully dump it onto your plate. You can take your spoon out. You don't need your spoon anymore.
Can we just
That's it. Just pour it onto your plate. That's it. No, don't use your hands, just because that'd take forever. Just dump it slowly. That's it. That's it. Wow. Excellent. Spread it around. Excellent. Just pour in different places. That'll spread it around. Okay. Very, very good. Oh, what I didn't find was... Okay. Corey, you can spread yours out a little bit. Just keep it on the plate. Okay? Now, this is our baking pan. And I'd like to just use the lighter pan. Do you notice we have two colors of pans, boys? Look up. Look at the pan.
Yeah.
We have a dark pan and a light pan. I want to use the light pan. Because the other one may brown too fast. So we're going to spray it first. This is vegetable spray. Look. I'm holding it up because I don't want to spray it near people. And I'm going to spray it because we want the donuts to not stick. And you'll need help spraying. You won't be able to spray. Adult will have to help you with that. Okay, now let me show you how we're going to make the donuts here. Okay, so we're going to dip lightly in the butter. And then we're going to...
I can do that.
And then we're going to put it on here. Okay, so you're both using the same butter dish. Dip it in the butter first. Let me put the butter between you. The butter first, just a little bit of butter, because we don't want too much. And so, lightly in the butter, and then lightly in the cinnamon sugar. Now this one opened up a little bit. That's okay if it opens up. We'll still eat it, won't we? Dip it in the butter just a little. Remember, the butter acts like a glue.
And is this like a little...
Just dip it in instead of pouring. Well, we want to have enough. We don't want too much on there. We have to have enough to last for. This is all the cinnamon we have. So,
Oh, there you go.
you got it? Okay, you want me to put it in the pan now?
Yes.
Okay, Corey, here's another one. Dip it in the butter. Oh, these boys are good cooks. Got that one ready? Okay.
There you go.
Very nice.
Another one.
Yes, grab another one. Dip it in the butter. And then into the cinnamon sugar. Need a little more butter. Remember, this acts as our sticky. Here's another one, Ann. Dip it in the butter.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, I think that's sticky enough.
I did my whole thing. I'm gonna go get another one.
Okay. You want me to put this one in for you?
There you go.
Very good.
I got the other one.
You did. Dip it in. Okay, stick it in the cinnamon sugar.
There. On the pan.
Very nice. Here's one more even. Dip that one in the butter and then the sugar. You seem to have a little sugar left over. I'm thinking maybe some of these I'll try to get a little more sugar on. Or maybe I'll steam them. I don't want to get it on the pan because too much on the pan burns.
I'm putting some cinnamon sugar every part on this donut.
Very nice. Yep. Back here. That'll be just about right, isn't it?
On to the
Okay. Wow. Now they're going to get bigger when we put them in the oven. And let's see if there's any more cinnamon and sugar I'll put on the top.
And now I want to wash my hands because they're sugary.
Okay, Papa, can you help with cleanup? Papa, can you help with cleanup?
I can. It looks like the donuts are all ready to put in the oven. And you're going to put them in the oven in just a minute?
Yes, we're going to give them
Okay.
5 or 10 minutes.
5 or 10 minutes. All right.
But I have to preheat the oven, so it'll be a few minutes, so we have to do cleanup.